Good morning. Today we will prepare the carrabba cream. The carrabba is the fruit of a tree who is much present here in Sicily. This dish is not well known here in our traditional cooking. The carrabba is maybe more known as pet food. In Ragusa zone is more used as decoction with purifying and expectorant properties. The carrabba has been used as flour to flavor some desserts, or they extract a syrup like that one we will prepare today. They obtain also an excellent honey from the carrabba. But today we will introduce just the carrabba cream. We need these ingredients. For the carrabba cream brulee we need milk, some sour cream, some bread of eggs, some sugar, some flour of the carrabba, syrup of carrabba, one entire egg and some vanilla, while the brown sugar will be used in the end in order to give the effect brulee when the cream will be cold and ready to be served. Let's proceed with the preparation. Let's begin putting the red of eggs. Let's add the entire egg. Let's add some sugar. It must be worked the right time to amalgamate the three components. Now we can add the syrup of the carrabba, the flour of carrabba pulp. It's important this flour is sifted in all the uses. Let's add some milk and sour cream. Let's add the sour cream. We put the content of the vanilla berry. Let's amalgamate everything and then we put inside this dispenser useful to place the cream in the stencils. Now let's system the cream in the stencils. Let's put some water in the tray because it must cook water bath. And let's put into the oven at 140 degrees. Now let's cold and after which let's complete the dish. Now it's cold after having let it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours to harden it very well. Let's put some brown sugar on it and let's lose the unsi safari part. And now with this instrument let's run the surface of the brown sugar. Now the dish is ready.
Si mette il contenuto della bacca dei baccelli della vaniglia. Bene, si amalgama il tutto e poi con l'aiuto di un polino lo mettiamo dentro al polino a pistone che ci aiuterà per distribuire il composto dentro gli stampini da crème brûlée. Bene, adesso procediamo a distribuire il composto nelle due stampi da crème brûlée. Mettiamo anche dell'acqua perché deve cuocere a bagno d'acqua. Lo mettiamo in forno a cuocere a 140 gradi. Adesso si fanno raffreddare e dopodiché si passa al completamento del piatto. Bene, adesso una volta fredda, circa 5-6 ore di frigorifero è meglio farla assodare bene, mettiamo dello zucchero di canna sopra prendere quello che lui ritiene bene e a questo punto con un pannello brucia zucchero andiamo a bruciare lo zucchero di canna in superficie. Adesso è pronto, buon appetito!